Hi friends, welcome back to fashion draping classes. Today I'll be doing a different kind of draping with this calico material once again. I'll be cutting different kind of shapes. Shapes in the means like geometrical shapes, abstract shape, ornamental shape, or any kind of shape that is relevant to any particular known design pattern. Okay, whether it is like a paisley motif, or whether it's like a floral motif, or whether it's a square, triangle, rectangle, or anything like haphazard, anything which is abstract, okay, or any particular geometrical shape like pentagon, hexagon, likewise. So I'll be cutting out different shapes like this, and I'll be trying to cut out and use that shape to apply on the dress form to make it appear like a design pattern. That is, I want to create a draping look with the help of this shape, two-dimensional flat shape. So first and foremost, I'll be cutting this fabric, but the edges needs to be finished. After the cutting of the shape, the edges needs to be finished with any process you wish to. Whether you want to do a small bit of hemming, or whether you want to do a picot over here, or whether you want to have a double layer fabric which you can turn over so that the edges are all like this, edge to edge is finished, right? So you have to create those shape. So right now I'm not doing that thing, okay? I'm just cutting out a shape and then applying it over here so that there is a new form of understanding that a draping can give you, okay? Okay, so now you can see that I've already cut out a lot of different shapes and different pieces, okay, and these pieces I'll be applying on this dress form to create a design pattern look, and these pieces are to be overlapped and conjoined so that they give a shape of the garment, and there is a draping character which evolves through the pattern, not with any fabric, not with any pleats, cowls, or flow or fall or wraps, but with typical geometrical shapes. A body is wrapped with these pattern, and that appears like a draped concept. Okay, so hang on with me while I'll do this, right? Now see this very carefully. If you get to see the pattern of the dress, there are a lot of empty spaces all around inside the body. Okay, these empty spaces can be kept like that, or if you wish, you can create another fabric underneath these shapes. So these shapes are going to be very defined with kind of a border if you wish to. They are to be attached by overlapping with some kind of stitching over each and every one so that the edges can be joined, and this forms like a entire the contour of the body. It always fits across it. So the shapes that I've used over here is randomly created. You can create a defined shape even. You can only take circles, you can only take spirals, you can only take heart shape or any particular shape you want to take, but you need a dress form to understand the wrapping, the draping, the application, the movement of all the shapes. So that is very essential. And then either you want to wear it like this with a inner garment, or if you wish you can apply some base fabric as a lining and place this over it. But the base fabric will also have to have a contour fitting with darts and all, and after the base fabric is kept here, this shapes has to be attached upon it so that the finishing and the edges are properly according to the contour, the shape of the bust, the chest part, the waist part, the hip part, and it can be continued at the back also. Okay, so this is one of the draping character which is very innovative, and very few people experiment with this kind of design pattern because it's very tedious, it's very difficult to imagine, and it's very interesting actually, which is not existing in the market. So I request all of you to please try to help yourself and experiment different forms of draping, and I'll catch you up in next video with some more interesting ideas. Okay, thank you so much for watching.